Hey guys, my name is Sarjita and welcome back to my channel. Last videos I posted 3 Meesho hauls, one top haul, one dresses haul and last one was a kurta and a lehenga haul. I am glad that you guys loved them so much. Thank you so much again. So here I am doing another interesting haul, that is a sari haul. And guys, what I am gonna show you today are gonna be totally perfect for a teenage girl and for a women as well. Before I start the video, if you don't know what is Meesho app, then that is a reselling app जहाँ पे you can shop for yourself as well. या फिर if you want to earn extra bit of money, then आप उन products को resell भी कर सकते हो. So on Meesho app, you would see a huge variety of different categories starting from clothing items to home decor, kitchen items, kids items, beauty products, and a lot more miscellaneous things, and those are at very reasonable, better to say at wholesale price. And like I said, आप उन products को अपने लिए खरीदने के साथ साथ resell भी कर सकते हो, and this reselling process is also very easy and hassle free. All you have to do is जो भी products you want to resell, उन products की catalogs, basically the product details, product images, description, you can share on WhatsApp. And if your customer want to buy them, then you can just simply place order for them. You can add your profit margin, like your customer wants this sari, then you just simply add this sari to your cart. Then in case of paying, you have to just add your margin, like here I am showing my profit margin is ₹100, and then place the order to your customer's address. And if you want to buy for yourself, then write the exact amount of money with zero margin. If you place an order through cash on delivery, then the Meesho representative will collect the whole amount of money from your customer, including your profit margin, and the profit margin will directly get credited to your bank account. है ना simple? So this is how you can just start your online business घर बैठे बैठे, so simply. So if you are a student, housewife or a working lady, you can earn extra bit of money through this app without any hassle. Okay, we will not do any more delay. Let's jump right into the video. I saw so many trending and beautiful sarees at a very cheaper price, and also you will find there some beautiful designer blouses. And I got a sari shaper which I wanted to buy like बहुत टाइम पहले से, but I didn't want to invest like 900 or 1000 bucks in it because साड़ी तो मैं like occasionally पहनती हूँ. But in Meesho app I got this sari shapewear in just ₹388, and that is quite cheap in the name of it, so I just had to buy it anyhow. As you know, sari shaper can give you a seamless polished look in a sari, and also you don't look bulky. Also the color is nude, which I think will go with any kind of saris. So yeah, today I'll be wearing all the saris with this. So let's see wearing it with saris. Guys, I bought 3 saris in different fabric. The first one is this organza sari. I think the original organza saris are hand printed, so cost so high, but this is not hand printed. It has machine works over organza. I have not stitched the fall and the border because of this lockdown, but guys, you will surely see me when the lockdown ends. I just love this sari, guys. This is my favorite buying and cost just ₹533. Can you believe it, guys? The color is so pretty, subtle yellow, also very lightweight and obviously appropriate for summer. And all over the flower prints make this sari so beautiful. And if you have no habit of wearing sari, then you can definitely go for these organza saris. I also got a blouse piece. You can stitch the blouse piece in different design. So the next sari has to be one of my favorites. It's so pretty. In fact, the quality is really good and the color is also something that I love. It's very beautiful teal turquoise color, and there are silver works all over the sari. The material is written here Banarasi silk sari, but I don't know in such price pure Banarasi silk sari can be found or not. But guys, I love this kind of traditional saris. By the way, this also comes with a blouse piece. I have not stitched it again. I think I'll let my mother to stitch the blouse into her size because मैं तो ज़्यादा साड़ी पहनती नहीं हूँ. I would definitely say guys, the quality is worth the price. Oh, I got this saree in rupees 632. I will highly recommend if you want to buy this saree. And also it has silver work all over it, so you can style it with your silver accessories as well.
Hey, I think she knows it, but I'm sure it out. Hey, she playing cool now, but these my rules now. Don't play it out. So shimmy out, shimmy yeah. We could unwind if you just let me. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now, let this moment. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Tropical vibes are taking over.
Okay, are you guys loving this blouse? And also this one, these are none but from Meesho only. And you will get shocked by the quality and also by its price. If you stitch a blouse, how much that will cost? Yeah, उसके 1/5 price में मैंने designer blouse खरीद ली. जी हाँ, this white blouse only cost rupees 243. Oh my god. The blouse is sleeveless but you are getting extra pair of hand with it. The main thing is the blouse is padded and the front and the back is this round and simple only. A beautiful mirror detailing is happening all over the blouse. I just love it. I will put all the codes in my description box. Meesho में product links नहीं होते, product codes होते हैं. And also you will get flat 30% off or rupees 100 discount on your first purchase.
Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. We could unwind if you just let me. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now, let this moment. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Tropical vibes are taking over.
The next blouse is this dark green sleeveless blouse. You will also get extra sleeves here. I got this for rupees 195 and this is also padded blouse. Both the blouses are actually a bit loose for me, but कोई बात नहीं, I will adjust it.
Hey, I think she knows it, but I'm sure it out. Hey, she playing cool now, but these my rules now. Don't play it out.
And the last saree I picked up is this pink cotton saree. OMG, you know why I bought this saree? I have seen actress Mithila Palkar wearing this same saree and she was looking so gorgeous. I just want to recreate her that style, and if you guys want to see the video, I will definitely make it. So it has really a pretty pink color with this dark pink border. The saree is really lightweight and this kind of saree really gives you a taller and thinner look if you drape it properly. I'm just loving it guys, it will really give me a simple look. Oh, I got this saree for rupees 441.
Hey, I think she knows it, but I'm sure it out. Hey, she playing cool now, but these my rules now. Don't play it out. So shimmy out, shimmy yeah. We could unwind if you just let me. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now, let this moment. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Tropical vibes are taking over.
yeah, I think that is all about my today's haul video. I hope you loved it, and as I said, if you are new in Meesho, then you will get flat 30% off or ₹100 discount on your first purchase. So just hurry up and grab some beautiful pieces from Meesho. Oh, last but not the least, go and participate on my 10k giveaway. The announcement is on my previous Q&A video. And also, if you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends. Bye bye guys. Love from your Sarchita.
So